Ang concept namin kasi dito is we want to go organic. Ang emphasis namin is organic food, organic plants, lahat organic. Whatever we use dito sa farm namin, we produce by ourselves. Yung chicken, yung pork, yung mga plants, yung mga herbs, organically grown lahat. Pinopromote ito ng Provincial Government of Tarlac and through its tourism project, I am also a member of Tarlac Convention and Visitors Bureau. Meron kaming helper. At the same time, yung husband ko, siya yung gumagawa ng mga concoctions for fertilizer, insecticides, at saka yung mga ginagamit namin na growth promotant sa aming mga chicken. They like very much yung aming tomato and tuyo pasta. It is an alternative to meat. Pinaka-meat niya pa doon is yung tuyo flakes. All the while lang alam mo, may meat yung kinakain mo kasi hindi mo ma-decipher na wala pala siyang meat. Highly suggested for vegetarians. Yung aming mga pizza na masasarap without any meat. You have the basil smoothie and you have the tanglad, malunggay, and pineapple smoothie. 3-in-1 yun. Fresh malunggay leaves, tanglad extract, tsaka pineapple. We have now this function area, and then sa second floor niya, we have the homestay, wherein the rates are very affordable for backpackers. Come and visit Good Earth Farms and Foods here, located at Karangyaan, Tarlac City, where you can see and feel what organic really means.